Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble code, DTC P0011, indicates an issue with the variable valve timing control, VTC system, in the Honda CR-V 2023 and later models. This code is triggered when the advanced intake camshaft phase angle exceeds the commanded value, leading the powertrain control module, PCM, to identify this anomaly and store the DTC. The VTC system plays a crucial role in optimizing engine performance and efficiency by adjusting the timing of the intake camshaft based on engine conditions. If the VTC actuator or solenoid malfunctions, it can lead to performance issues or increased emissions. Understanding the components involved, such as the VTC oil control solenoid and actuator, and their locations, is essential for effective troubleshooting. Diagnosing this issue often requires a comprehensive inspection of the oil passages and the related components to ensure the system is functioning as intended. DTC P0011 signifies a higher than expected advanced angle in the intake camshaft phase, indicating potential issues with the VTC system. This system consists of several components, including the VTC oil control solenoid valve A and the VTC actuator A, all strategically located within the engine. The PCM is responsible for monitoring these components and will trigger the DTC if it detects that the phase angle deviates from the expected value. The VTC oil control solenoid valve controls oil flow to the VTC actuator, which in turn adjusts the timing of the camshaft. If the actuator is not functioning correctly, this can lead to excessive advance in the camshaft timing, impacting engine performance and efficiency. Understanding where these components are located and how they interact is vital for effective troubleshooting. Several factors may contribute to the triggering of DTC P0011. First, incorrect timing marks on the crankshaft pulley can lead to the misalignment of the VTC system, resulting in an abnormal phase angle. This often occurs after the VTC actuator has been replaced or serviced. Additionally, if the VTC actuator itself is malfunctioning, it may fail to adjust the camshaft timing properly, producing similar symptoms. Lastly, debris or clogs within the VTC system oil passage can impede oil flow to these components, preventing them from operating effectively, which would also lead to an advanced camshaft phase angle. Each of these causes must be considered when diagnosing this DTC to ensure an accurate and effective repair. The symptoms associated with DTC P0011 can vary in severity, but generally include poor engine performance, which can manifest as a loss of power, rough idling, or stalling. Typically, when this DTC is activated, the check engine light will also illuminate, indicating an issue that requires attention. Increased emissions may result from improper fuel combustion due to the advanced camshaft timing, which can lead to additional failures in emissions testing. Drivers might also experience unusual engine noises, particularly under acceleration or load, if the VTC system is malfunctioning. A thorough investigation into these symptoms is necessary to accurately diagnose the root cause of the issues presented. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0011 is to start the engine and observe the VTC's operation. Begin by listening for any unusual noises that could indicate a malfunctioning VTC system. Next, it is essential to monitor the live data from the PCM to see if the intake camshaft timing is within specifications. Using a diagnostic tool can help assess real-time values, allowing the technician to determine whether the VTC actuator is receiving the correct signals and functioning effectively. Be sure to take note of any abnormal readings or behaviors in performance, which could guide subsequent troubleshooting efforts. This initial assessment is critical in identifying any immediate concerns that may point to a malfunctioning component. The second step in the troubleshooting process involves testing the VTC oil control solenoid valve, A. This component plays a crucial role in controlling oil flow to the VTC actuator. Start by testing the solenoid for proper operation using a multimeter to check resistance values against specifications. Additionally, inspect the wiring and connectors for any signs of wear, corrosion, or damage that could impede functionality. If the solenoid fails the test or if issues with the wiring are found, these must be addressed before moving on to inspect the actuator itself. Ensuring the solenoid operates correctly is a fundamental step in ruling out this potential cause of DTC P0011. The third troubleshooting step requires an inspection of the VTC actuator A. This actuator's primary function is to adjust the intake camshaft's timing based on oil flow from the solenoid. To assess its condition, visually inspect the actuator for any physical damage or signs of wear that might hinder its operation. Additionally, check for debris or clogging in the components associated with the actuator. A blockage could prevent the correct oil flow, leading to inaccuracies in the camshaft timing. If the actuator is found to be faulty or damaged, it will need to be repaired or replaced to resolve the issue outlined by the DTC. Successfully identifying problems here is essential to restoring the proper function of the VTC system. A final troubleshooting step involves inspecting the VTC system oil passage. This passage is crucial as it delivers oil necessary for the operation of both the solenoid and the actuator. Begin by checking for any signs of debris or clogs that could restrict oil flow. If there are any blockages, they should be cleared immediately, as this could be a significant factor in the issue represented by DTC P0011. It's essential to ensure that the oil passages are clean and provide the necessary flow rate for optimal VTC function. If restrictions are identified and resolved, it may eliminate the DTC and restore proper operation, demonstrating the importance of attention to detail in this final step. Once all troubleshooting steps are complete and any faulty components have been repaired or replaced, it is critical to verify the success of these repairs. Begin by clearing DTC P0011 from the PCM using a diagnostic tool. After clearing the code, it is advisable to conduct a test drive under various conditions to ensure that the vehicle is performing correctly and that the DTC does not return. During the test drive, monitor the engine performance for any discrepancies, particularly regarding acceleration and responsiveness. Continuous monitoring of related data through the PCM should confirm that the intake camshaft timing is operating within the desired parameters. This verification step is essential to ensure that all issues associated with the DTC P0011 have been adequately addressed and resolved. Preventive maintenance is crucial in ensuring the longevity and reliability of the VTC system in the Honda CR-V. Regular oil changes are significant, since clean oil is vital for the function of the VTC actuator and solenoid. Dirty or degraded oil can lead to clogs in the system, causing components to wear prematurely. Additionally, routine inspections of VTC components, including the actuator and solenoid, can help catch potential problems before they escalate into significant issues. Monitoring for oil leaks and ensuring that the oil filter is changed regularly can also contribute to maintaining the health of the VTC system. By implementing these preventive measures, vehicle owners can help reduce the likelihood of experiencing DTC P0011 and related performance issues in the future. In summary, DTC P0011 indicates a problem with the variable valve timing control system in the Honda CR-V. By understanding the roles of the VTC oil control solenoid and actuator, technicians can effectively troubleshoot the system. Carefully following each troubleshooting step ensures that all components are verified and functioning as intended, addressing the root cause of the DTC for a successful resolution. Preventive maintenance practices play an essential role in reducing the occurrence of this and similar DTCs, contributing to the overall reliability of the vehicle. By staying informed and proactive about vehicle care, Honda CR-V owners can enhance performance, improve efficiency, and ultimately extend the lifespan of their engine. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.